Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are drawing a cute cake. First, let's draw a big rectangle. Good job! Let's draw the plate. Great! Now draw the topping on the cake. Nice and wavy. Now draw the eyes. Big, round eyes. Let's draw the nose and a funny mouth. Wow, so cute. And now, draw the numbers 2026 on top. Add little candles. Amazing!
Wow! H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Now it's coloring time. Color the cake yellow. Color the topping pink. Color the numbers orange. And the plate blue. Color it pink. Love. Color it yellow.
R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A,
Color it blue. Wow, our cake looks awesome. Like, subscribe, and draw with me again. On